Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making this delicious penne pasta. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. You guys, it's so delicious. I can't wait to share. So for this really easy recipe, all you need is salt, cumin powder, chili flakes, a Knorr chicken cube or a bouillon. You're going to need onions. So I have 2 that are chopped up already, 2 green chilies, or you can add more if you want. Your minced meat, you can use beef or chicken. I'm using chicken here. You're going to need pasta sauce. So I like to use the ragu tomato and garlic and onion pasta sauce. You can need ginger and garlic paste, and then whatever veggies you want to put into your pasta. I'm putting in peppers, so I'm putting in 1 whole green pepper, 2 red peppers, and 2 yellow peppers. So I have my pan preheated here already, and I'm just adding my minced meat in here. And then I'm just going to put in a 1/4 cup of water. So I'm just going to put that in here, and then you're going to put the rest of your ingredients in. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. And then I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Now toss in the chopped onions along with the salt, cumin powder, and chili flakes. Now mix all these ingredients together on high heat. I'm just taking my spatula and just breaking up the meat and mixing everything all together. I kind of just keep stirring it, letting it sit, keep stirring it for all the water to dry up and evaporate. As you can see, it's bubbling now, so once the water starts to bubble, you can add in your green chilies that you cut up into small pieces. I'm just eyeballing all my ingredients. I kind of just put it in and then I try it, and if I think that something else needs to be added, I just keep adding it until I feel like, okay, it's perfect. I'm going to now add in my chicken cube. I'm just going to break it up into little pieces and add it into the minced meat. I'm not making it a broth or anything like that. I just break it up into pieces. And then you're going to mix all these ingredients together. And you're going to keep mixing until you see a majority of the water drying up. Once you see majority of the water dried up, you're just going to add in your pasta sauce. I used about 1.5 jars of this pasta sauce. So you're just going to add that in and just mix again everything all together. Now after mixing, I'm just going to try a little bit of the pasta sauce to see if salt or anything else needs to be added, and then I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer for a bit just so the pasta sauce can thicken up and so it's not so watery. This looks about good, so I'm just going to add in my veggies that I have cut up. So I'm just tossing in my red peppers, yellow peppers, and green peppers. And at this point, you can turn down your stove. It doesn't need to be on high anymore. After trying my pasta, I felt like it needed to be a little bit more spicy, so I'm just going to add in another tablespoon of chili flakes and mix that all in. I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. And I like to keep stirring it in between just to make sure nothing is sticking. Again, I like my pasta really saucy, so that's why I added a jar and a half of the pasta sauce. And I keep trying it in between to see if there's anything else that I'm missing. I'm just really particular when it comes to my pasta, and I want it to be just right. So that's why I like to keep trying it in between. And I'm just going to cover it and again let it simmer a little bit more. So now that my pasta sauce is ready, I have my pasta boiling in the back. I'm just going to strain it and add it into the sauce. And you can use the exact same recipe for lasagna as well. I use this recipe to make lasagna as well. You can just, again, put in beef instead of the chicken if you want it for lasagna. And you can put any pasta in. You don't have to put penne. You can put macaroni, the spaghetti. You can put in any sort of pasta you want. I love it with penne pasta. And that's it, you guys. Here is the delicious and easy pasta recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my socials are at Natashaa Islam. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!